At GGK, we provide very few niche software development services that are of very high value to our customers. We do web applications built on Microsoft Stack and Java-based technologies. More recently, we've been working on mobile applications for iOS and Android platforms. We do a lot of work in business intelligence using some of the cutting-edge technologies like Microsoft, BI Stack, Oracle, Informatica, and MicroStrategy. The fourth area that we work on is quality assurance, where we do manual testing as well as automation using tools like QTP, Selenium, and HP's Load Runner. Our growth strategy for next 2 years is to get into the new markets, new geographies, specifically Europe, Middle East, and Australia. Within US market, we would like to go further in depth into some of the verticals where we are working currently: healthcare, insurance, and financial services. We see a lot of demand from our customers for mobile applications and BI, and even the independent software testing services. Our growth strategy is to double every 2 years.
GGK is a flat organization with an open door policy where everybody can express themselves very freely. Also, we are very passionate about our technology with a product development kind of mindset, looking for optimal business solutions, always keeping the long-term best interests of the client in the mind.
We at GGK intentionally designed an organization that values our people and their careers. To that effect, we have constantly worked to make sure that our people are given lots of training opportunities, causes to support, and definitely outlets for fun.
Technology is the backbone of GGK. GGK has been a one-stop shop for most of the customers to work on any technically challenging projects. Customers have never hesitated in coming to GGK to work on any new frameworks because our turnaround time is phenomenally less compared to the market.
Our culture has not been created by design or by accident. It is a constant analysis to make sure to see how we can be better, and therefore constantly make amendments to see how we can be a better company.
If you ask me what is growth, I would say it's not just about vertical movement in your job profile. It's about the quality of learning, the quality of experience, and confidence you're gaining throughout the process. Fortunately, today in GGK, we have this perspective of growth for each and every employee, and we continue to enjoy this path of growth. Personally, for me, each day in GGK has been a day of learning, building relationships, and gaining leadership qualities.
Work at GGK Tech spans over numerous technologies, and every trainee has to go through an hardcore tech training so as to master them. We train them so that they can have a perfect resonance with their associated technology. It helps them to be productive, reliable, and independent in their projects. Besides the training, we also arrange a monthly Dev Day, which is an open platform for the developers so that they can discuss about the upcoming technologies.
The best thing about GGK is here you are working with a team of technical gurus.